Good morning. Redistricting goes beyond geographic districts to reach agricultural areas. It is a very complex challenge. Farmers are particularly impacted by extreme weather conditions, which include drought, severe heat, flooding, and other shifting climatic trends. These all pose challenges for farmers as they work to grow enough food, which is why we are devoted to finding ways to transform agriculture, not only to be part of the solution of climate change, but also to be fit in it in the future. It is a short term. In a short term, we have to commit achieving a 30% reduction of the field greenhouse gas footprint of our farming customers. Agriculture is a contributor to climate change, and POSE play a fundamental role in curbing greenhouse gas emissions. To help ensure a more sustainable future, farmers must take some steps towards a carbon zero future, using cutting-edge tools and farming practices to remove as much, if it is more, greenhouse gas from the atmosphere than a farmer emits. The development of climate-smart solutions, including digital farming and improved plant breeding technologies, will help reduce agriculture's impact on climate change in the future. With better weed control solutions, farmers reduced the need to till, decreasing tractor passes over the field and allowing for less soil disruption. This is not only curb greenhouse gas emission and fossil fuel use, but when soil is less untilled, it is better able to store carbon as well as nutrients. Digital tools and precision agriculture techniques enable farmers to have a more intimate and informed understanding of what happened in the fields. Precipitation alerts let farmers know which field may be too wet or too windy to apply pesticides, so they can avoid costly treatment and unnecessary fossil fuel. Satellite and drone provide real-time field health images that enable farmers to identify areas of crops stress or pest infestations so that corrective action can be taken quickly and efficiently. These tools help farmers optimize lands used to grow enough food on less acreage, offering the potential to reduce the number of acres needs to feed a growing population. Agriculture is also pioneering the use of microbes to enrich crops by helping plants harness and use nutrients and waters more efficiently. Some companies are working to create microbes that will help crops like corn, wheat, and rice extract nitrogen from the air to use on their own. This will radically reduce the need for man-made fertilizer and be a powerful step towards a carbon zero future for agriculture. The largest source of atmospheric carbon related to farming occurs when agricultural expansion leads to deforestation or draining of wetland, which reduce the ability of the natural ecosystem to absorb and store carbon. By developing solutions that help farmers grow enough on less land, agriculture is working to preserve natural habitats, even finding ways to help farmers identify areas of the land that will add more value to their operation as a biodiversity sanctuary to support animals, pollinators, and their surrounding environment. Smallholder farmers are particularly dependent on climatic conditions to grow their crops. With an increasingly unpredictable climate, extreme weather conditions could threaten the entire harvest. We must commit to finding innovative ways to empower smallholders with access to tools, insight, and resources to mitigate these effects so they can cultivate their crops in spite of climatic challenges. All crops need water to thrive. but too much water can be devastating. Withdrawal as a considerable factor, and recent study estimates that wheat harvest could decline by 6% with every degree of climate warming. All said above must be considered in redistricting of climate change, in climate change era. Thank you.